Hair transplantation may seem like a relatively simple procedure at first glance, but it's actually one of the most revolutionary cosmetic surgeries of our time. Hair transplantation techniques have rapidly evolved in the past 10 years, which has turned the procedure into a routine surgery with minimal risk. So much so that tens of thousands of men decide to undergo surgery every year to regain their hair's former density. Hi, I'm János from HairPalace Hair Clinic, and as a patient coordinator I have accompanied the treatment of over 1,500 patients in the past 5 years. In today's video I will explain the 8 key stages of the hair transplantation process and show how this simple surgery can transform your life. Hair transplants are minimally invasive, minor surgeries typically carried out under local anesthesia. Every clinic has slight differences in policy, so the exact stages may differ from clinic to clinic. This is how the hair transplant goes at HairPalace. First, your hair will be cut short. This will allow the surgeon to see hair follicles clearly so they can implant the new ones safely. Then both the donor and the recipient sites will be cleaned and disinfected to reduce the risk of infection. This is followed by administering local anesthesia to numb the donor area and ensure a pain-free procedure. Then the surgeon will begin to harvest healthy hair follicles from the back and sides of the head with the use of a special tool. It is a pen-shaped micropunch that allows the doctors to extract the follicles one by one with great precision. The next step happens simultaneously with the extraction. While the doctor works on the donor area, the assistants clean the harvested follicles and carefully prepare them for the implantation under a microscope. Once the extraction is done, the doctor numbs the recipient area. Then, the doctor prepares a new place for each new follicle. With a needle, the surgeon will make tiny incisions and implant the follicles precisely where you need them. Finally, the surgeon will clean the surgical sites to eliminate any chance of infection and put a fresh bandage on the donor area. The surgery usually takes 6 to 8 hours depending on how many hairs you need to be transplanted. But it is worth the time and the effort. Hair transplants have high success rates. Clinical studies have revealed that around 85 to 95% of all implanted hairs will grow out successfully. So the surgery achieves ideal results in vast majority of the cases. If you want to find out more about hair transplants and alternative treatments, visit hairpalace.co.uk. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions, and if you enjoy this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.